today I will be giving a demo of reconciliation system, which help us to understand the match financial transaction between internal system and bank system. Okay, the objective of this demo, so the goal of this demo is to walk you through how the system works from data input to reconciliation, reporting, and the error handling. How it simplifies what's typically a complex manual process. First, we will go to the theory part. After that, I will show you how practically reconciliation system works. So, so we start today. Okay, what is the reconciliation system? So, the reconciliation system is a critical framework for ensuring accuracy in financial records. It involves comparing the internal record against external data to identify the discrepancies, streamline process, and enhance the financial integrity. What is the reconciliation in finance? So, uh, first of all, reconciliation is verifying and matching the financial transaction for accuracy. Purpose of the recon system is identifying the errors and preventing the fraud in financial data. Okay, what is the important in finance? So, maintaining the trust and transparency for our stakeholders. Okay, we the Reconnaissance system we are currently for as a Java developer, we are developing the PayPal system. In PayPal system project, we have one reconciliation as a matlab in PayPal system, we have a reconciliation system to identifying the failed purchase record. Okay, okay. What are the types of reconciliation? So first of all, we have a multiple types of reconciliation. Okay, first is a bank reconciliation. This process involves comparing the company's bank statement with its internal financial records to ensure that all the transactions are accounted for. Okay. Second is the inventory reconciliation. The involve matching the physical inventory count with record quantities to identifying the discrepancies due to the losses or errors. Second is the account reconciliation. This focus on verifying that the balance of various accounts, such as the receivables and the payables, align with the internal and external records. Intercompany reconciliation. In an organization with multiple subsidiaries, these types ensure that the transaction between them are accurately recorded and reported. Okay, these all are the types of reconciliation. So, उसके बाद are the key component of the system. Okay, what all are the key components of the reconciliation system? The first is the data collection, second is called the comparison process, third is the error resolution, and fourth is the reporting and the documentation. So let's start with the data collection. In data collection, it will gather the data from source like bank statement and a record. In a statement to comparison process, systematically compare data to identifying the discrepancies. Error resolution. Investigate and correct the error for accurate reporting and documentation. Generate the detailed report on the reconciliation. Okay. After that, we have a benefit of reconciliation system. Accuracy in financial reporting. By identifying and correcting the discrepancies, the system enhance the accuracy of a financial statement, which is crucial for decision making. Fraud prevention. Regular reconciliation helps to detect unauthorized transactions or anomalies, reducing the risk of fraudulent activities. Okay. Operational efficiency. Streamline the reconciliation process, minimize the manual intervention, saving a time and resource, while increasing the productivity. And second is a regulatory compliance. A robust reconciliation system ensures adherence to the financial regulation and standards, safeguarding the organization against the legal issues. Okay. After that, the challenges in reconciliation. Okay. The first is data discrepancies. Variation in data formats or a timing can lead to the challenges in accurately matching records, requiring the additional resource for resolution. Okay. Second is the manual process. Reliance on manual reconciliation method can lead to the human error, insufficiencies, and increase the processing timing. Okay. After that, we have a technology integration. Ensure that the various financial system and software integrated seamlessly for effective reconciliation can be difficult. Complexity in transaction. As a transaction become more complex, especially in multinational companies, reconciliation record across different currencies and regulation can become challenges. Okay. Best practice for effective reconciliation. First is the automate process. Implementing the automated reconciliation tool can significantly reduce the manual errors and enhance the efficiency in data processing. Second is a regular reconciliation schedule. Establishing a routine reconciliation schedule minimize the risk of discrepancies building up and allow for timely error correction. Okay? Training and development. Providing a staff with adequate training on reconciliation process and to ensure that they are equipped to handle the discrepancies effectively. Utilize the technology, leveraging the advanced software solutions can streamline the data collection, comparison, and reporting, making the reconciliation process more effective. Future trend in reconciliation of them. AI in machine learning. The integration of AI in machine learning technology is expected to enhance the reconciliation process by predicting the discrepancies and the automating the error detection. Blockchain technology. The use of blockchain for financial transactions could provide a real-time reconciliation capability, increasing the transparency and accuracy. Cloud solutions. Cloud-based reconciliation systems are become more popular, offering the scalability, accessibility, and improve the collaboration across the team, enhancing the data analytics. Advanced analytic tools will enable the organization to gain deeper insight into the financial data, improving the decision making and overall financial health. System architecture, how it work, okay? First is the data integration, second step is the data normalization, third step is the matching the engine, fourth step is exception management, and fifth is the reporting. So we will understand step by step what is the data ingestion, okay? Collect the input from file like CSV, Excel data with our API. It is all about collecting the data. Second is the data normalization. It will convert the incoming data into a standard format. Okay. Third is a matching engine. Matlab, means core logic that compares the record based on the business rules. Okay. Exception management. Flag unmatched or a suspicious entity will be fine in this active management. Reporting. Generating the report showing the match or unmatched or a correct data. Okay. What is the transaction process efficiency? So first of all, daily transaction. The company process the 5,000 transaction per day. An automatic machine read. The system matches the 98% of the transaction automatically, and the manual check require only 2% of transaction are checked manually. It will save the time, okay, and it will save the hard. It will save too much time. It will using this time we can do other tasks, okay. Okay, after that we will go to practically how this process work. Okay, first we will go to the VS Code and we will open our reconcile folder. Inside this, okay, inside this I will tell you how step by step explanation of a Java reconciliation code. Okay, first of all we will create the one transaction class. Okay, inside this we will create uh, we will create we will create this reconciliation system for a bank for checking the internal record and bank statement. Okay. So inside this we have a two fields. One is a private integer ID and second is a private double amount. Okay. Okay. We will create the getter and setter method. So okay. First we will create our constructor. Vitamin vitamin. ID will be in string format. But it will return this dot. Okay, we'll create the constructor. After we'll create the getter and setter method. Okay, public get ID. Okay, we created the two fields. One is a string ID and second is the amount. Okay, so we created the constructor. After we created the getter and setter method. Okay, okay we have to only create the getter method. Okay, we don't have to set the any value. Okay, after that we will create the we will create the override method to comparing the transaction by ID and amount. Okay. Yep. This class represent our this class transaction class represent क्या करेगी this class represent a single transaction with two pieces of data. Example one is a ID and second is a amount. Okay. This class represent क्या करेगी a single transaction with two pieces. One is the ID and second is the amount. After that the constructor will set the value when we created the new transaction, and the equals method where we created the equals method and hash code method are overriding. So Java can correctly compare two transactions by ID and amount. Okay, and two string help us to print the transaction daily clearly. Okay, so after that we will create the equals method. Okay, so first of all public boolean equals if this is equal to O, then return true. If it is not equal to O, instance of instance of transaction you can return. If the O not equal, then you can return the false. Okay. I will explain you each and every part. First, I will write, and after writing, I will explain you what is this. Okay. You don't have to worry about anything. See what is the code. First, I will write the code, and after that, I will explain you what is this. All this meaning. Okay. Okay, after that, we will write overhead. We have to override the hash code method. Value dot hash code. Value of amount dot hash code. Okay. Okay, we override the hash code method. After that, we have to override the toString method. It will return the transaction with ID